How you doing? It's Joseph Graham. Real quick, what we're gonna discuss is something called the key elements to ranking organically. And you might be thinking, what is that? What does that mean, ranking organically? So you're a pressure washing company. I live in South Fort Worth, so whenever I type in pressure washing service, you're gonna have the top 3 people pop up in the maps, and then the top 10 businesses below in the organic listings. And of course, on top, you got people who know the value of being on page 1 and pay Google, they pay them to be on page 1 because more than likely they don't know these key elements right here. All right, there's only 2 reasons people pay for ads. Reason number 1, they're a really huge company. They have a really big ad budget and they're in every state, every city. Or number 2, like I just said, they don't know what I'm about to show you right here. So the first thing is this map listing. And this map listing anchors you in the town you desire to rank in. What does that mean? I type in HydroClean, PSI HydroClean, this is your business, this is your Facebook page, you're on Home Advisor, right? And if you had a map listing, it would be showing right here. Now to be eligible for the, even get ranked into the maps, you have to have a GMB, or it's called Google My Business. So you go to googlemybusiness.com, fill out all the information, and they'll mail you a postcard. And it doesn't matter if you want your business address to be shown or not. You can hide your business address. Like these guys, they hid theirs. And it just shows the area that they serve, right? So that's one of the first things, is getting that address, which helps build your reputation. It builds trust with the public, and it builds, trust with Google. And plus, and if you optimize it and do everything I'm showing you, you can end up here. Like I said, the top 10 businesses get 90% of the traffic, all right? Citations, you're going to run citations to your GMB. That's when you take that name, the business name, the address, and the phone number, and you get citations. Like you might get one from Yellow Book, you might get one from Facebook. It's all these places around the internet that have your NAP information saying, yes, they are there, from all kinds of different sources, right? Content. Content is the words on your website. They must be authoritative and relevant to searchers. Now, when it comes to content, I will say that you dropped the ball on this one, but it's okay. It is okay. Now, why this is important? It's important because Google is going to show the one business or the one website that has the most authoritative content on a topic. So if I type in PSI, Wikipedia is going to pop up first. Why is Wikipedia going to pop up first? Because they just have they go into depth and talk about PSI and all these different topics. Same thing with pressure washing. If I just type in pressure washing right here, see how Wikipedia pops up first? Because they go into depth about pressure washing. They have all these different little topics on it. That's pretty much what you would have to do on your website, okay? If you're going to pressure wash roofs, you need to have a lot of content on that subject. Decks, you need to have a lot of content surrounding pressure washing decks, etc. Therefore, when somebody's looking for or searching for, a patio pressure washer, you want to be the one to pop up for that. I hope this kind of makes sense. And then you get into backlinks, and this is pretty much the fuel that pushes your business to page 1, these backlinks. So not all votes are created equal. That's what these are votes from other sites. You got high grade and you got low grade. But these are pretty much the key elements that you can implement. You can, I don't know if you already have an SEO. All right. I don't know what you have going on, but if you start implementing these things, get your map listing, optimize that thing, get the citations for it, start building content for your website and backlinking, you can and will dominate over your competition. Because this is what I do for my own business. It's what I do for other businesses, especially in the DFW. You want to appear in the maps, and then you want your website to appear in the organic listings, all right? Like I said, they get 90% of the traffic. This person gets called first, this person after them. If they don't answer, and it just works like that, okay?